Hello guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to send money from Remitly to India. First, you have to create an account on Remitly. If you have already, then log into your account. The process is exactly same in the both platform, the mobile application and the official website. You can find the send button in the mobile application at the bottom of your screen. Simply click on it, then you have to select the India as the sending country and complete the rest step of sending money to India from Remitly. In website you will find the best rate here that they described. The rate is in the both platform are same. You just need to click on this drop down button and you just need to select search for India and select India. After selecting India, you can see the sending country details has changed here. You can see here, and after it has changed, then you can make sure that your sending country is now set to India. Now here it is, the sending to India and the current best rate that they are providing. Now you can click on send money to processing the sending money to India. You can click here also. Now from in this page you can enter the amount that you want to send, and Remitly will calculate it automatically according their best rate. Here you can see they receive this amount, and now you select delivery speed express. It is Remitly's fastest transfer. You can pay with your debit card or credit card, and here is the exchange rate from here. Also you can go with economy. This is not the fastest of Remitly's, but it is Remitly's best price. That's when in this you will get the best exchange rate. But I think the first one is better. Then you will find the fee, and the total amount is here. Then simply click on continue button here. After continuing, you just need to enter the recipient details that at the delivery method that your recipient will get. You will find three delivery method from here. What is UPI? UPI is a payment system that allow you to easily send money to an Indian bank. So you can use UPI also. Now if you want to use bank deposit, then you just need to get the details, the bank details and the bank name from your recipients, and search for the bank. Simply click on it and enter your recipient's account number from here. Then you just need to enter some personal details of your recipients. Also in the UPI you just need to enter the virtual payment address, and your recipients must have the UPI account, and you have to enter the account details. And also you can go with cash pickup. You can find here so many cash pickup options available from here. You just need to get the details about the cash pickups from your recipients and give the information according to your recipient's ID, like their first name, last name, the ID number and the address. Then simply continue, then selecting all of them. After completing the recipient's details, they will ask for the sender details. That's when you have to enter your own details, like your name, your address and your email or phone number according to your Remitly account. Then you have to choose a payment method that you want to use to transfer the money. After choosing the platform, the payment method, you just need to go to the payment method transaction page, where you just need to enter the account credentials and log into your account and give the permission for the transaction. Then you can pay the money or transfer the money through the Remitly to India. That's how you can send money from Remitly to India easily. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.